Welcome to another episode of Kookievision. In this video, I'm going to be making a pineapple. So I have a yellow piping consistency royal icing fitted with a number 2 tip, and I'm going to start by outlining the fruit. Next, I'm going to flood in this area with the same color, this time in a flooding consistency that I have here in a squeeze bottle. And you can see that my squeeze bottle has a coupler attachment, and I've used a number 4 tip. However, if you just have a regular squeeze bottle, that will work as well. And I'm just going to use my scribe tool here to get all the icing towards the edges and pop any air bubbles. Now, I leave my flooding layers to dry overnight before I do the details the next day, but this is totally up to you. If you have problems with color bleeding, this is always a nice idea, giving it lots of time to dry between layers. In this case, I would definitely recommend at least an hour or 2. So after you've given it some time to dry, I'm using a chocolate brown royal icing here. This is a piping consistency fitted with a number 1 tip, and I went around the outside, and then I went back and I'm doing diagonal lines going down one way, and then I'm going back and I'm going to do diagonal lines going the opposite direction as well. And then on the inside of each of those boxes that we created, I'm just going to pipe a little dot right in the middle. And once you're done that, we're going to give this pineapple some leaves. So I've got a very stiff consistency green royal icing here, fitted with a leaf tip. This is a number 350 tip. And what I'm doing here is putting a lot of pressure on the bag. So I'm really giving it a squeeze. And I'm also kind of shaking my hand as I'm putting pressure on the bag. And that really makes the leaves nice and ruffly. And you'll get that really nice kind of ruffly leaf effect. And you really want to make sure that your icing consistency here is nice and stiff so that it holds those ruffles after they're piped. If your icing is not stiff, those leaves will not hold their shape, and after they're piped, they'll just kind of go back to being flat, which is not what you want. And here I'm just kind of flipping the camera for you so you can really see up close how that icing is coming out, and you can see all of those ruffles up close, how that icing is coming out and how those ruffles kind of come out as well. And you can see too how I'm using the tip, how the point side is down. And there we go, we've got the finished pineapple here. It would be perfect for any sort of summer or tropical set. So thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like me on Facebook and on Instagram. Bye!